Hi, yoga teachers. I'm Dr. Ariele Foster, physical therapist and yoga teacher myself from yogaanatomyacademy.com. I'm also the teacher behind Fascia Release for Yogis, the Yoga Journal online course. And I'm here with 2 quick tips on ways you can incorporate self-myofascial release into your yoga classes so that your yoga students reap the rewards. All right, so the first one uses the block. Every yogi in the world wants to loosen up their hamstrings or get them a little bit more mobile, a little bit more slidey and glidey. And the way you can do that is take the corner of a block, if you have access to blocks where you are teaching, and just dig the corner of the block into the back of the upper thigh. So it's pretty simple. All I'm doing is pressing the thigh down, trying to lift my hips just the tiniest little bit and get that corner digging in there. You can start in the middle and work your way a little bit up, spending about 10 seconds on each spot. I'll be going through a little more quickly just for this demo. And then work your way also a little bit down, making sure to get to the inner fibers and the outer fibers of this muscle group. Do the same thing, obviously, on the other leg, spending at least a solid minute on each leg. That would be my recommendation. The second one works whether you have props or not in your class. Another really good one for creating a little bit of opening at the back of the leg, up the inner leg, and in the feet. This is a really sweet, nourishing practice you can incorporate towards the end of your classes. So it's pretty simple. Let one leg come out in front, kind of like you are going into Baddha Konasana. You can actually do this same technique in Baddha Konasana, or have one foot tucked back and the other leg out in that half diamond shape. You'll lean forward, drop your elbows in, and just melt the elbows into the inner calf muscle. This is a really sweet one if you're going to teach malasana or any practice that has some really deep squats. Skandasana. Malasana is also known as garland pose, and skandasana is also known as skater's pose. Working your way up and down the inside of the calf with the elbows, and maybe even getting into the arch of the foot. This is where it's just so nice at the end of a yoga practice to guide people through this, to create a real sense of release and renewal and refreshment at the end of your practice, your classes. Thanks so much for watching.